In case you're just tuning in, there's a solar eclipse happening across North America on the 8th of April 2024. Trippy is chasing the eclipse, and we figured we'd give you a few tips and tricks in case you wanted to chase it too. Tip 1. See if you live in the path of totality already. Totality crosses a lot of major metropolitan areas, so tens of millions of people already live within the path of totality. If you don't live in or near the path of totality and you want to see totality, trust me, you do. Start booking your trip now. Don't worry, you still have a little bit of time left, but as the eclipse approaches, hotel rooms in smaller towns and rural areas are starting to get harder to find and more expensive, and I would expect that trend to continue as the eclipse gets closer. Major cities that are in the path of totality are likely to have more hotel rooms and they may be cheaper, but I would expect that to change as we get closer to April as well. You can also look at cities that are a short drive to the path of totality if you plan on renting a car, which I recommend. That brings me to tip 3, get transportation. After all, you want to be able to go where clear skies are if there are none above your head. While destinations in Mexico and Texas are more likely to have clear skies than destinations in, say, Ohio or upstate New York, that's not a guarantee. Having readily available transport is your best bet to get to clear skies if you need to. And if you have to move, make sure you aim for the center of the path of totality. It's the blue line on the map. That's a good thing to remember when you're picking hotel rooms, and an even better thing to remember when you're picking your viewing spot. Why is that important? The closer you get to the center of totality, the longer the eclipse will last for you. And you really want it to last as long as possible, believe me. And finally, be sure to tune into Trippy for more eclipse viewing travel tips and tricks. We've got some great videos in the works about how we planned our travel, and we think they'll be helpful for you too. In the meantime, you can check out the links in the description to get your eclipse chase started. And remember, if you like this video, click like and subscribe, and maybe head over to our Patreon page and show us a little bit of love. And as always, let's have an adventure.